Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are having a great day today. So we have already started the chapter Algebraic Equations. Today let's learn more about algebraic equations. So first let's see a situation from our daily life. So the cost of a book is ₹5 more than the cost of a pen. What is the cost of the book in terms of the cost of the pen? So here we are given a situation and we have to write an algebraic expression corresponding to this situation. So what is mentioned here? The cost of a book is 5 more than the cost of a pen. Is the cost of the pen given? No. So let's assume the cost of the pen is equal to x, the variable x. Now, the cost of the book can be represented with the expression x plus 5, that is 5 more than the cost of the pen. Now, we are going to imply a condition for this. If the cost of the book is ₹20, what is the cost of the pen? So now, we are going to imply a condition for this expression. This expression represents the cost of the book. Now we are given that the cost of the book is 20, which means x plus 5 becomes equal to 20. So here we have equated the expression x plus 5 to the value or the numeral 20 with an equal to sign. So what you have here is an algebraic equation. So an expression equated to a condition with an equal to sign. That's called an algebraic equation. Now, here we are asked to find the cost of the pen, which is the value of the variable x. This is an equation in the variable x. We need to solve for x. We need to find a solution for this equation. So how can we find the value of x here? Let's apply different values for this variable x and see if any value satisfies this particular condition, that is x plus 5 is equal to 20. So here I have a table. In the first row I have different values for x. The second row shows the corresponding value of x plus 5. So when x is equal to 13, x plus 5 becomes equal to 18. When x is equal to 14, x plus 5 becomes equal to 19. When x is 15, x plus 5 becomes equal to 20, and when x is 16, x plus 5 becomes equal to 21. So when you apply different values, when you observe this table here, you can see this condition here, that is x plus 5 equal to 20. This condition here is satisfied only with a single value of x, that is when x is equal to 15. When x is equal to 15, x plus 5 becomes equal to 20. And that is the only value for x which satisfies this condition. So we can say x equal to 15 is the solution to this algebraic equation here. So what is the solution for this equation? X is equal to 15. Now let's see one more example. Here there is another equation, 6x is equal to 30. So this is also an equation in the variable x. The expression 6x is equated to the value 30 with an equal to sign. So this is an algebraic equation in the variable x. Now how do you solve for x, or how do you find the value of x? So 6x means it is 6 into x, and that is equal to 30. The condition here is 6x must be equal to 30. So how do you find x? You can find x by dividing 30 by 6 and you get the value as 5. Now 5 is the only value for x that satisfies this condition here. So we can say the solution to this equation is x is equal to 5. So how can we define an algebraic equation? See, when you equate an algebraic expression to a condition with an equal to sign, you get an algebraic equation. And you see there are two parts for an algebraic equation, which are the left hand side and the right hand side. The part of the equation given to the left hand side of the equal to sign is called the LHS or left hand side, and the part of the equation that comes to the right of the equal to sign is called the right hand side or RHS. So when you find a solution to an equation, that solution must satisfy the condition that the LHS, the left hand side and the right hand side should be equal. The LHS should be equal to RHS. That is, an algebraic equation has two parts, LHS and RHS, connected by an equal to sign. Here you can see two algebraic equations, x plus 6 is equal to 15 and 3x is equal to 9. Now let's see a few more equations. See, the first one here is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. There are only numbers in this equation. The next one, 7 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 26. Here in this equation also there are only numbers. Now the next one, x by 4 is equal to 11. So in this equation there is a variable x and 4x is equal to 12. This is another equation in the variable x. You see, among these equations you can see the first two equations contain only numbers and hence they are called numerical equations. Now the next two examples, these are equations containing variables and hence they are called algebraic equations. I hope you are clear with the difference. You have to go through this topic, that is equation, which is given in page number 130. So once you have gone through the topic, you can work out the first, second and fifth questions of exercise 9.1. And once you are done with the answers, please to take a picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.